Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Mylee discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Mylee discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see, we have right here a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with 10% discount off your first order. All you need to do is select the button where it says show coupon code, and this is our promo code right here. You can simply tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can use this one so that you can get a 10% discount on your first order on the website. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Retail Me Not, and right here we have some promo codes and some deals as well that we can use to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this promo right here. All you need to do is just select the button where it says Get Deal, and right here for this one, there is no code required. So after you select the get deal button, you'll be redirected to the website and the promo will be applied automatically. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.